Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more thrilling content.
Strange death rituals, how different cultures express respect for the dead. Death is one of the most profound and complex experiences in human life, and the ways cultures express respect for the dead vary widely around the world. The rituals and practices differ from place to place, reflecting religious beliefs, cultural philosophies, and social values. In this topic, we will explore some of the strange and unique rituals practiced by various cultures when it comes to death. Ghost weddings in China. In some rural areas of China, there is a strange tradition known as ghost weddings, where a deceased person is married to a living woman. This practice is part of the belief that the spirit needs a companion in the afterlife, and a wedding ceremony is held that includes gifts and food for the deceased. Shoulder carrying rituals in India. In some Indian cultures, the shoulder carrying ritual is a unique tradition. After a person dies, their body is carried on shoulders to a sacred river, where it is cremated. This act is considered a tribute to the deceased and helps the soul transition to the afterlife. It is believed that the water carries the soul to a state of peace. Day of the Dead in Mexico. Mexico celebrates the Day of the Dead, where people honor the memories of their deceased loved ones. Graves are decorated with flowers, candles, and photographs, and the favorite foods of the deceased are brought to the graves. This celebration is a way to appreciate the spirits and strengthen family bonds. Mummification in ancient Egypt. In ancient Egyptian civilization, embalming was one of the most important rituals. The Egyptians believed that preserving the body was essential to ensure life after death. They would remove the internal organs, use preserving materials like resins, and then wrap the body in linen. Mummies are considered one of the greatest achievements of ancient medicine, and it was believed that the embalmed body hosted the soul in the afterlife. Sky burials in Tibet. Some communities in Tibet practice a unique ritual known as sky burials, where the bodies are left outdoors to feed vultures. This act is considered a sign of respect for the dead, as it is believed that the body returns to nature and contributes to new life. This ritual also allows the soul to transition smoothly to the afterlife. Mourning parties in Kenya. In the Kikuyu tribe in Kenya, large ceremonies known as mourning parties are organized after the death of an important person. These celebrations include singing, dancing, and feasting. The aim of these rituals is to honor the life of the deceased and celebrate their memory.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Don't hesitate to suggest any topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Your support helps us keep creating great content, so don't forget to share this video with your friends.